Damon Davis with Dr. Stephen Gabriel.
Hi, David Davis. I want to welcome you to the program. I'm here with my good friend and guest, Dr. Stephen Gabriel. And today we're talking about a medical device called AVACEN. It's an amazing, amazing solution to help people like you and I deal with this big four-letter word that's a barrier, a blockade, a road bump. It's robbing us of our joy. It's called pain. And the AVACEN is a medical device that is cleared by the FDA to be used to help deal with pain. Isn't that awesome? So I want to welcome Dr. Gabriel to the program, and let's get into this thing and help people understand what AVACEN is all about. Welcome, my friend.
Oh, thanks. Great to be here again. This is always fun.
It is.
And this is an amazing, amazing device.
It is.
I've been using it myself now for the last, let's call it 4 weeks or so, and I am blown away and super excited to share it. And let's talk about why this is so amazing.
Well, I want to start with helping people understand who you are, what was your background. I sent you the AVACEN device for the reason that you are part of a team of medical experts with Zoe Logix Health Sciences that helps review the kinds of products and services and the educational information that we send out to people who are watching us right now. And I have you look at it.
Yeah.
And you've been using it for 4 weeks.
Yeah.
You're seeing amazing results. But who are you and what makes you an expert that I just said that you were?
Well, thanks. I'm a medical doctor. Obviously, we've talked about that before. But yeah, essentially, I did my undergraduate studies in microbiology and molecular genetics. And then I went on and got my MD degree. I then trained at UCLA in emergency medicine.
Wow.
And became a practicing emergency physician in a very busy emergency department. Assistant clinical professor at UC San Diego. And then really wanted to look at underlying how we can actually heal people from within, and went on to do a fellowship in anti-aging and regenerative medicine.
Wow.
And I love all of it. I love learning, and I'm really passionate about how we can actually try to heal ourselves from within, make ourselves younger, and make ourselves healthy for the ultimate benefit of living our best lives, living an extraordinary life.
Well said. So in a nutshell, what is this going to do for me? All right. I'm hearing all this stuff about the blood and science, and it all makes sense. And I'm like, okay, this is informative. Sounds like this thing can help me. How exactly? I understand how it works. How exactly? What's it going to do?
It's going to reduce pain.
Okay.
It's going to make your joints feel better. It's going to make you have less aches and pains. It's going to potentially take you off those chronic pain medicine.
Wow.
It's going to potentially be able to take you away from the NSAIDs you're taking that are wreaking havoc on your GI tract.
Wow, yeah.
Which eventually is affecting everything because you can't absorb nutrients right. Right. Forget about the ulcers and the bleeding that happen from this. But it's going to take you away from that. It's make you less dependent on that, which is going to give you more energy, make you feel better overall, and take you away from some of the chronic pain medicines you've had, make you more active, and that's going to eventually improve your entire life.
So let's hit the top. So pain relief, drug-free, right? It's going to help with stiffness in my joints. It's going to help me with joint pain associated with what I would imagine arthritis, right? Let's get real with it. People have muscle spasms. It's going to
relax
muscles and help with that. What about soreness? If I'm working out, right? Exercise in the gym, or maybe I have a job where, oh my gosh, every morning I wake up and I'm in pain from the day before. Is it going to help with that?
Yes, absolutely. For anyone, let's say, who's on their feet all day, even me as an emergency department physician, on my feet all day, running, anybody who's construction site, walking, lifting, it's going to reduce the pain, soreness, delayed muscle spasm from that, and improve muscle relaxation.
What about autoimmune issues? Okay.
Yes.
Arthritis is one of the biggest contributors to pain.
Yeah, absolutely.
Is this going to assist, again, in those areas where people are waking up in the morning and their hands are stiff? They can't walk, get up in the morning, can't really quite walk right because their feet hurt, right? Is this going to help with that?
Yeah, absolutely, it's going to help with that. I mean, this is already FDA cleared for arthritis. A lot of the arthritis sufferers are using this 15 minutes twice a day.
Yeah.
Just because you're improving blood flow. Arthritis, the word, anytime you see itis, it's inflammation. That's what the word means. That's why we add itis to it. So we decrease pain in arthritis. People with arthritis are reporting decreased pain and being able to go off of their pain medicine just by using the AVACEN every day.
And we know that pain medication has side effects.
Yes.
Okay? It's dealing with pain, but it's creating perhaps another problem. AVACEN is dealing with the pain, but there are no negative side effects.
Yes.
Right? This is dealing with root cause.
AVACEN goes to the root cause, which is improving blood flow, which is half the reason we want people exercising, right?
Yeah.
Improving blood flow and getting to the source to actually stop the pain from even coming out rather than masking it.
You know, I'm asked all the time when I talk about AVACEN, and it happens so fast in the conversation. How much is it? I hear expensive. Well, there are so many patents behind this thing. There is so much very minute, well-synchronized technology inside this device that isn't cheap to build. Yeah. We're talking about clinical studies, and it works. So no, it ain't cheap. But when I hear the kind of life I'm going to have that I'm not enjoying today, that I'm going to have the kind of loving intimacy that matters most, I'm going to be able to get out of the house like I want to get out. I'm going to be able to travel, play with the grandkids, right? Perform better on the job. When I put a price tag on that.
Yeah, when you take away pain.
Oh,
just taking away pain. It's priceless. But I'm going to say something more important. If you think about that blood flow is the river of life, and when you look at kids and how quickly they heal, the energy they have, the lack of pain that they have, and I tell you that improving blood flow and decreasing inflammation changes everything. This is like having a doctor in your house.
Wow.
This is having a doctor in your house. This isn't something that's a pill that you take one time to mask something and then need to take it 6 hours later. This is something that once you invest in it, it's at your home and you can use it every day as much as you want relative to how you're feeling that day, that you can use it to prevent every night, that you can use it. Dude, I'm laying in bed with this at night, putting my hand inside there. First of all, when you have improved blood flow, when you heat the microcirculation and you just feel how relaxing, how much your muscle tension goes down, how much, we talked about the other day, sometimes I get ringing in my ears, the ringing in my ears goes away, okay? When I go and heat the microcirculation, don't have pain, can do it every day. I make one investment and literally I'm improving my blood flow every single day. Have you seen one ER visit bill? Do you know how much that is? This, I have it every single day. I have a doctor at home in my house working on me every day.
You're improving your life. It's paying back to you every single day. It's improving the quality of your life every single day. It's reducing pain, getting rid of pain. It's reducing the medication that you're taking that's masking the problem to begin with. But something else you just said, we aren't sleeping. We heal when we sleep. We regenerate when we sleep. So many people on sleep aids right now. You're 100% right. When I started using the AVACEN, the first thing that I noticed, instantly, I slept like a baby.
Yeah.
I have it right at my bedside, and I'm telling you, it took me an hour and a half to get my brain to shut off and go to sleep. I'm telling the truth.
Yeah.
And I would barely sleep through the night. 15 minutes before bed, and I am out like a light, sleeping like a baby. And Dr. Gabriel, when I tell you I wake up in the morning, ready to take on the day, I hadn't felt that in years before. As a doctor, I brought you on the show to give me your expert opinion. You've been using the AVACEN yourself. You have read the studies. You have seen
I have patients using it.
And you have patients using. Well, then that answered everything. Would you be confident to endorse the person watching to get their hand in one of these units right away? I would think that the answer is
absolutely yes.
Absolutely yes. I have been using this device for over a year. It has changed my life. But I have given one to someone in my life that needed it the most. And when I tell you that the life they were living, which was deplete, restricted, they were depressed, who? Doesn't matter. Someone very close to me, talking to somebody right now, you know someone in your world that you love dearly that is waking up to pain every day. They are discouraged. They're not living the life that they are meant to live. There is no greater gift than you could give to them than something like this that will change everything. And to me, that's priceless.
The information shared in this program are the views and experiences of those individuals and may not represent the views of AVACEN Medical, and results described may vary by individual. Further, their statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. AVACEN FDA 510K clearance. The AVACEN is a heat therapy system indicated for the temporary relief of minor muscle and joint pain and stiffness, the temporary relief of joint pain associated with arthritis, muscle spasms, minor strains and sprains, muscular relaxation, and the temporary increase of local circulation where applied. Important notices. AVACEN Medical did not maintain a level of control over, involvement with, or influence over the AVACEN device experiences shared in this video. AVACEN Medical has examined numerous peer-reviewed heat therapy and relaxation studies associated with the experiences shared in this video. AVACEN believes these studies substantiate and support the results claimed. AVACEN Medical recommends that you consult your healthcare professional about potential interactions or other possible complications before using any product.